Hello and welcome back. I'm Sarah, a UK-based accountant. In today's video, we'll be discussing the distinctions between zero-rated and exempt supplies and their implications for businesses. While you're here, do me a favour and smash the like button, and if you find my videos helpful, don't forget to subscribe. So let's look at goods and services exempt from VAT first. In the UK, certain goods and services are exempt from value-added tax, VAT, or VAT, if you want to call it. Here are some examples. Health and education. Medical and dental services, as well as education services provided by recognised institutions, are typically exempt from VAT. Finance and insurance. Some financial and insurance services, such as certain transactions related to insurance and finance, may be exempt. Postal services provided by the Royal Mail are usually exempt from UK VAT. And charitable activities, supplies made by charities for a charitable purpose, are often exempt. Public services. Certain public services provided by government bodies are exempt. Cultural services. Admissions to museums, galleries and exhibitions may be exempt. So this basically means that if you are a business providing or selling exempt rated goods or services, you can't register for VAT and you can't offset the VAT paid on your purchases. Important to note that the exemption status can vary and some supplies may fall under different VAT rates, such as zero rated or reduced rated supplies. Additionally, the rules can be complex and specific conditions may apply, so it's advisable to consult with a qualified accountant. Or you can research and do it yourself. However, this brings me on to the next part of the video, Skillshare. You can use Skillshare to level up your business and accounting skills by joining with my link below. You'll get your first month free. Skillshare has lots of courses on accounting and business for you to choose from, including short courses covering VAT for business. And with the first month free followed by a super cheap monthly fee, you'd be robbing yourself if you don't go and have a look. Like I said, the link's in the description below this video. Zero-rated goods and services. In the UK, zero-rated VAT means that the goods and services are taxable, but the rate of VAT applied is 0%. And these are some common examples of goods and services that are zero-rated for VAT. Food and beverages. Most basic food items, including bread, milk and vegetables, are zero-rated. However, certain items like confectionery and alcoholic beverages are usually standard rated. Printed books, newspapers and certain other publications are zero rated. Children's clothing and footwear designed for children are generally zero rated. The majority of public transport services, including buses and trains, are zero rated. Prescription medicines. Most prescription medicines are zero rated for VAT. Exports. Goods and services sold for export outside the EU are usually zero rated. And protective equipment. Certain protective equipment like helmets and safety boots may be zero rated. Renewable energy, the installation of certain energy saving materials like solar panels are zero rated. And it's important to note that the zero rated status can depend on specific conditions and the list is not exhaustive. VAT regulations can be complex, so it's recommended to consult with a qualified accountant or HMRC to make sure you're accurate and up-to-date information based on your particular situation. Simply put, this means if you're selling goods or services that are zero-rated VAT, you can still register for VAT and reclaim the VAT paid on your purchases. Which means if your sales VAT is exclusively zero-rated, you'll be able to reclaim any VAT paid back from HMRC. However, this might not always be the case if you have a mix of exempt, 0, 5%, and standard rate VAT in your sales. I hope this video gives you a better handle on these VAT topics. Share your thoughts in the comments down below, and if you need more information on VAT, watch this video next.